I'm Janiah. Welcome back to my channel if you are new and if you are not new. And I am a vibrant and ambitious 19-year-old independently living in Houston, Texas with a fiery passion and burning within. My story embodies the essence of youthful determination as I navigate the challenges and opportunities of adulthood in this dynamic city like Houston, Texas. I began dancing at just 4 years old, cultivating a lifelong passion. My versatile background includes gymnastics, competitive cheer, track, and drill team. At 15, I launched my first business, which was my lash business. I became a lash tech and got my certification, my clothing line, and I also was a hairstylist. I did all of this just before I turned 18 years old. Not to mention, I also started my content creator journey with having my first video go viral at just 14 years old. Through dance, sports, and entrepreneurship, I developed confidence, self-expression, networking, and communication skills. I'm proud of all of my accomplishments, and I'm excited to see the next chapter.
It gotta work for me. Just cause I want you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, your nigga calls text me. Baby, don't be mad, you already.
She's Tia! Yes! Okay, real.
Alright, come on.
Y'all, so we are currently on the way to... kind of blurry. We are currently on the way to the next photo shoot for her birthday. My baby birthday is on the 5th. They need to come on up because the Uber is here. Get into the look, though. Get into it. Your girl is getting into that, that wardrobe. It's coming, okay? Pulling up in a black truck.
Oh shit.
So I gotta go on tonight.
My birthday photo shoot.
Okay. You got everything like the balloons, all that shit?
Yeah.
Where's it at, in your bag?
Yeah. I almost forgot the balloons. I would've been mad.
Well, my lips a little.
I'm gonna
put on some lip gloss.
But you want to listen to anything on Spotify? Shit.
I don't know.
I don't want to listen to our music.
You're right. We listen to R&B.
Do you have a Type-C charger?
I do.
Can I please use it?
I need to put my lip
Plug
gloss
this
on.
in down there and then listen to Type-C on this.
I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And to me, you are the star, so still.
Alright, y'all, so we just pulled up to the place. And, I don't know. Is it upstairs? Y'all can't even see. It's so dark. Let me turn my flash on so y'all can see me.
Let me go to the Yes.
Let me put my glasses back on. I can't see shit. So is it this one right here?
It say, hold on.
Yeah, we're so confused. I don't got my headphones in. This looks tacky.
1609. So it is upstairs.
Okay.
Not tripping?
No, you're not tripping. This is 16 on. Unless it's a 2-story house.
Oh, it is right here. It's so cute in here.
Hold on.
I gotta do a video for my reels.
Oh my god. She's gonna die.
Sorry.
Come on. Yes. She's T. Yes.
Okay, so the bedroom is back here.
Okay. I like her. She eats. Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is T. Bitch, we gotta do a photo shoot. We gotta get on our Zoom.
Okay.
Yes, look at this. This is T.
Right here by itself.
Bessie, we gotta get on our Zoom for real. Like, no bullshit. This is where she's gonna be taking the pictures at. But T, real T. Y'all stay tuned for them pictures, for real. Okay, I never gave you guys a OOTD, so this is her. Hair by me. Very cute, chic, classy. Your girl's getting her classy bag. Y'all know one thing about it, two things for certain. Your girl loves dressing like, yeah. That baddie shit is out the window. This is the baddie. Okay. Anywho, they're setting up now. They're blowing up the balloons. Your girl don't know how to blow balloons. So with that being said, I'm gonna be doing other things like setting up the light. And we're gonna be figuring that out. But I think she said the dude gotta go get the lights because they are nowhere in the house. This is really, really nice, y'all. Whoever is running out this place, y'all did a very good job of setting up everything in every room. This is like a little diner, like a 90s diner look, real tea. And then over here, as you guys can see, this is like a tea party type of vibe. So I like it. I told Lynette we really gotta get in our content bag and like taking pictures and everything because I'm really photogenic. I love taking pictures. So it just makes me happy when I see her taking pictures. Cause like, girl, you too fucking pretty to not be taking pictures. But yeah, I'm excited. Like, my baby gonna be 19. Yes, I'm so crunk. Like for real. Like, she's really that girl. Doing her big one. I'm really in love with these glasses. These are salty. I'm salty for my best friend. Okay. Y'all go watch them blow up the balloons because, yeah, I don't have nothing to do. But I do gotta hook my phone up to the speaker so we can listen to some music instead of listening to the band.
That's why they like this.
Okay, y'all, so she's
bad.
getting the balloons out.
So how we gonna blow down though? Like what you like here?
Like regular.
Y'all, we got the lights set up. I was supposed to do this. This is my job, but girl don't even know what she's doing. So the dude came and did it. So let's work for me. And she is
Best friend, how about you do this?
What? The happy birthday?
Yeah, just put the wires through it.
These balloons you blew up too bad.
At this point, I ain't gonna do the balloons.
You don't think it's birthday?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
I think it did break. Let me see though.
Yeah.
You broke it to the other side. Let me see though.
No, it's just because it's not.
It's not made for that?
Yeah, it's supposed to be helium in those.
See though, you broke it to that side, but let's see.
It goes to the middle. So it's not working.
What do I say? Happy birthday? Do that your name?
No. Hold on.
No happy birthday balloons, y'all. She broke them. Well, or maybe it came back. I don't know. It's supposed to be helium in these balloons. And we have like a regular blow.
Alright, let's do this one. This one.
All of them. We gotta have birthday. These balloons stink.
Together, y'all can't see the whole, you know, shebang. You know, you gotta cover up a little bit, but y'all make sure
y'all can't see everything. Y'all can't see.
Yeah, okay. What you call it? Explicit? Yeah, that.
Real grown.
She's real grown. Nasty 19.
Hey.
I like her. I like this. You're becoming an adult. I love this for you.
Why is you looking at me like that?
Hey, Skirman, he went about it at.
I took the last of Amigos.
Oh, Lord. Oh, my goodness. Okay, y'all. So, Obi is going to take her pictures. I'm going to help her pose because my stinky butt don't know how to pose, y'all. She don't. And it's okay because that's what I'm here for. So, I'm going to have to help her because I know she's going to be struggling to pose. But it should come natural. You know, I'm just going to make it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? She looks really, really good. I like this.
Alright, come on.
Okay. Action. Okay, y'all. So,
I don't know where to set my phone up.
are you going to do all of your poses on the bed?
Yes.
Okay, Bill.
You ain't going to be sitting here?
Are you doing the balloons?
In the chair?
I mean, I can.
Are you doing the balloons on the bed or off the bed?
I think she should do them on because
yeah, I think she should do both.
you're not going to be able to see it for real.
No, I'm saying both.
Oh yeah, both, but like you need some balloons on the bed. Okay, y'all, if y'all want to see the rest of the process of her actually taking the pictures, make sure y'all go tap into her Instagram and go watch her reels because she did record the whole process. So tap in. Y'all thought y'all was finna yeah, no, I gotta tap into the reels. Okay.
And we need all these balloons over here.
Oh, was some out there? I didn't even know that.
Are these all balloons over here or not?
Where?
Are they pink?
Yeah, they had traveled. Oh wait, no.
That's not sauce? I'm about to say, them whole little dusty.
Very much not.
Okay. Well, queen shit. Okay, tell them bye. They can't see the rest of the process. Sorry. Take it in, honey. I feel like a proud mom. Whoa. Such a proud mom.
Girl, you look like somebody's mama.
Yeah, we're cleaning up. Your girl is gonna be cooking tonight. Where my phone at? Hold on, let me look at my phone. It's 8:52 and my bestie birthday at 12.
Alright, she in the room. You already know I'm playing my man. Like, we're gonna be making chicken and shrimp Alfredo tonight. I think I wanna do jerk. Yep, we're gonna be doing jerk. I got the chicken and shrimp both in here, and I'm about to get ready and season it. I got all my pots and pans out, the strainer, and yeah, we're gonna get to work. I just cleaned and rinsed off my shrimp. I'm now going to place it in this bowl right here because I'm going to season all my shrimp in a bowl, and then I'm going to put my chicken on the foil paper.
When you top me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how wet it is. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how wet it is. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you. I don't. You got your high hopes. High hopes. World, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how wet it is. You nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how wet it is.
Your girl is getting everything whipped up. This is how the shrimp is looking. It's looking really good. This is how the shrimp is looking. She's looking delicious. And I just put the chicken on, so she looking a little raw still. But and the noodles is getting cooked up. I am about to take these off because these are about done. I'm going to saute my peppers. I woke up with 3 pimples on my face. I'm gonna do a taste test. Onions from scratch. Who finna do all that? Not me. I'm not finna spend all day trying to get perfection of cutting up onions and shit. No. Work smarter, not harder. My mama put me onto this. I be seeing her cook with this, and ever since then, I started cooking with it. And it's a game changer. So if you don't know nothing about this, start using it. Same thing with my pasta sauce. I know how to make it from scratch. I just choose not to because it's the same fucking thing. All you gotta do is just add your seasonings, and you're good to go. Like, literally. Boom. And now my pepper's on it. So the jerk seasoning is already in a pan, so I'm gonna let it saute so we can get some of that flavor on there. And I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I'm gonna give y'all a little up close shot so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Okay. So let me mix it a little bit. You see it's already in the pan. You know what I'm saying? We just gotta saute it up. Get all that extra flavor. I might not just put none on there because I really don't need it. It's already in sauteed. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I don't need it. But yeah, that's all you do. Make sure all the flavor gets on it. Just check on our chicken. She's almost done. I'm gonna taste test her in a little bit. Let's taste test her. Oh shit. That's good. That's really good. I don't cook as much as I need to, but when I do, bitch, it be busting. It's actually ready. So I'm about to take it off and put it on a paper plate. I know you're supposed to put it like a, y'all can't see, a paper towel underneath the plate. I mean, over the plate, but me, I feel like it don't even make a difference for real. All right, your girl noodles are finally done. It took a little minute. I had to turn up the heat because they were taking forever. I guess it's because how big the pot is. This TV is so, so loud. Sorry, I was listening to music. But yeah, I think it's because how big the pot is, so. Now that that is done, I am going to put the strainer in the sink so I could strain my noodles. There we go. Alright, y'all, my noodles are finally done. It looks a little crooked. I hope it's not crooked. I am about to add my meat. Now, my shrimp and veggies. Get out a good stir before I put in my pasta sauce. I always have a hard time opening these, so I might have to go get some help. Whew. Yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Just give me a second. Yeah, but this pot moving around a lot. Hopefully you don't burn me because both of my hands is occupied. She's looking delicious. Y'all see that? Do y'all like y'all pasta saucy or do y'all like it not so much saucy? I feel like that's what makes the pasta. So like this ain't enough for me. And if you guys didn't know, anything Alfredo pasta is my favorite. I love shrimp. Y'all know I love seafood. If you don't, now you know. Okay, maybe I could do this one by myself. I know that's right. Girl ain't need no help. I'm so clumsy, it don't make no sense. Whenever I make my noodles and I finish draining them, I go back in and I leave some of the water in there just so my noodles don't dry out, because you still want some consistency with your noodles. You don't want them to dry out. Yes, so this looks so good. I'm gonna add some more sauce. Damn, that's actually the whole can. Yes. Yes. She's bubbling. I'm gonna have to turn her down. She's done. So I'm about to make me and my best friend a plate. Yeah, it is spicy though. It's very spicy. If he don't like spicy food, he might not like it. Yeah, she is very spicy. But your girl finna make her a plate. So let me go in and throw away my trash before I do that. Alright, y'all, look at this. Made with love, baby. Hold on. Made with love. Chef Naya in the house.
And I've been with triplets, I've been with friends, I've been so long, where do I begin? And
Like, bro. You need to make my bed.